Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. Today I'm making a video based on a request, and I'm going to go a little further than what I was asked to do. I do want to thank my friend Nicholas Jeter at Holmes Honda for helping me out with the camera. So what are we doing? I'm going to show you where the spare tire is, but also how you get it out. The first thing you have to do, and I'm going to reach over here, is you're going to turn that tab that way, and that way I can get the carpet out of here, the floor mat, if you will. And I'm going to do that side. It is a little bit of a process, but I want to show you the whole thing so you can see how this works. So that is done, and now what we need to do is reach down here. We're going to release this cover right here. That comes out. That's pretty easy to do. And then you have access to the spare tire, but this is where things get a little bit on the interesting side. Now, it's not that hard to pull the tray out right here that has the tools in it. There's everything you need to change your tire. In fact, you even have instructions in there. That should probably be in the glove box, don't you think? But that'd make it easier to get to. We're gonna put that in there, and I'm gonna set this outside. Now, one thing I didn't talk about, I did remove the middle row seat right here, the middle seat in the middle row. That makes it easier to gain access to all of this. So the next thing is there's a tray bolt right here. Let's see if I can do this without getting in your way. All you're gonna do is do this. Takes a second, well, more than a second, a few seconds to spin that off. So we'll do that. That comes out, make sure you don't lose that. And then all you have to do is pick up on the tire, and it comes out just like this. And just roll it out, and you're set. That's how you do it. If you need to change a spare tire on your Honda, put a spare tire on your Honda Odyssey, don't worry about putting it back in here. Let somebody at the dealership do that for you, because it's a little challenging. Maybe you're up to the task. If you are, go for it. If not, let someone else do it. Hopefully that helps out. That's what you do with the spare tire. That's where it's located, and that's how you gain access to it on the Honda Odyssey. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you in the next video.